Alright, I currently have Outlaws installed and ready to play 3 days early, so let's watch this trailer.
Kay Vess, the underworld's favorite new scoundrel. This is your one shot. A safe filled with 157 million credits. And I can get you inside.
Get in. How about getting out? This job, it's a death wish.
Your lives are over. Your family, friends, gone. There's nowhere in the galaxy you can hide.
I mean, I guess this is an open world game. We'll see. Ubisoft, I don't know. I'm gonna get access with a Ubisoft Connect for only $17.99. So, kind of curious.
I'm in.
Yeah, I'll be on TikTok, so, and then I'll have a series out on YouTube. Anyway, I'll see you guys this week.